In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim the tuition tax credit in TurboTax. To make this quick and stress-free, you'll need one key document before you start: your official tuition tax slip from your educational institution. This is the form your school issues for the tax year, showing your eligible tuition amounts and your enrollment details. You can usually download it from your student portal or request it from the registrar's office. Make sure it's the official version for the correct year, that your personal information is accurate, and that all amounts look complete. If you studied at more than one institution during the year, gather a slip for each. Take a moment to review the figures and any months of full-time or part-time study listed. TurboTax may ask for those. Once you have the slip, open TurboTax and start or continue your return. The software will guide you with simple questions. When it asks about deductions and credits, look for the section related to education or tuition. Select that you have an official tuition slip from your school. From there, just follow the prompts. Enter the amounts exactly as they appear on the document. Don't round unless the form is already rounded. If the software asks for the institution's name, the calendar year, the number of months you were a student, or whether you were full-time or part-time, use the details from your slip. If a field doesn't apply, leave it blank rather than guessing. TurboTax will automatically calculate your tuition tax credit based on what you enter and apply it to your return. You'll see how it reduces the tax you owe. And if you don't need the full amount this year, the software will track any unused credit and carry it forward for future years. If the program offers options based on your answers, like applying more of the credit this year or saving it for later, choose what best fits your situation. You can always preview the tax summary to see the impact before finalizing. A few practical tips as you go. Double-check that you're using the correct tax year slip, confirm that only eligible tuition fees are entered, and avoid including non-tuition costs like textbooks or housing. Enter commas and decimals carefully to prevent simple errors. If TurboTax flags a mismatch or missing information, revisit the education section and compare each entry to your slip. When you're done, save a copy of your return and keep your official tuition slip with your records. That's it. Document in hand, follow the prompts, and TurboTax does the math for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.